Good morning, students. Welcome to the English literature class. Today we'll read chapter number 6. It's a poem, and the name of the poem is New Year's Resolution, written by Bruce Lansky. Now let's read the poem. Last year I did some rotten things. This year I'll be better. Here are some resolutions I will follow to the letter. It's a poem about a boy who had been very naughty throughout the last year, but now he is realizing all his mischiefs, whatever he had done so far, and wanted to make a resolution for not doing all these things now, and has made a list of some resolutions to be followed in the upcoming new year. I won't make dumb excuses when my homework is not done, when the truth is that I did no work cause I was having fun. He'll not make or give any stupid excuses or tell a lie for not completing his homework, and won't hide the truth that he couldn't do his work cause he was having fun. I won't fly paper airplanes when the teacher isn't looking. I won't sneak into the kitchen just to taste what they are cooking. So in these lines, he is saying he won't fly any paper airplanes in the classroom even if the teacher is not paying any attention towards him, and he will not creep quietly into the kitchen in his house just to taste what is being cooked there and what is cooking in the kitchen. I will not twist the silverware to see how far it bends. I will not take the candy bars from the lunch bags of my friends. He'll not twist the silverware or silver utensils just to have fun, just for fun to see how far it bends, and will also not steal the candy bars from the lunch bags of his friends in the school. I'll not skateboard down the hall or skateboard down the stairs. I won't turn over the teachers and won't crash onto the chairs. He is saying he'll not run down the staircases on his skateboard or run in the hall, and will never come across the teachers running on his skateboards and dashed onto the chairs. And in the last stanza, I'll not do all these rotten things. My heart is full of sorrow, but I have got some brand new tricks to try it in school tomorrow. He is saying now he'll never do any kind of these bad things again, as he is feeling very sad and guilty about his behavior, and is not going to do all his old tricks and not going to repeat all his tricks again, but still he has a brand new tricks in his mind that he wanted to try in the school the next day. So all these mischiefs, whatever he had done, he don't want to repeat those, but still he is having some funny pranks or new tricks, some of the new tricks that he wanted to try next day in the school. So that's all in this poem. Thank you and have a nice day.